Now, let's move on to the customary car sound check. So let's start at the far end with the Defender. Can you rev up your supercharged V8? Has he revved his engine?
Yeah.
Didn't hear it. Okay, I didn't hear that at all, Nat. Let's have a listen to the G63 saying rev it up. I'm not sure I could hear that either. Too far away, perhaps. Now let's have a listen to Max in the SV. Can't hear it either. Let's go Rory with the BMW. Let's have a listen to that. Okay, Harry, let's hear the Urus. First one I've properly heard. Cars are getting closer to me though. And now, Nick, Carlos. Sam.
Rev up your hybrid.
Terrible. You're right next to me, it's rubbish. Right, everybody, listen to this.
Is that a supercharger?
It sounds like a supercharger. Quick question, Nat, at the far end, can you hear my car revving?
I actually can, but I would hear it even more if I had a Quicksilver exhaust system on it.
Have you just totally played me to do a cheeky bit of marketing about Quicksilver exhausts?
What's that noise? I want to know that.